One more time.
She held tight to a photograph and tried to spy this mystery. The sun ain't rose and set 4 days with echoes of her agony. Because her heart without a home and no one to call her own. The waters washed up to pay her over time and drown the memories. What's more beautiful than blood caked on her velvet skin? The dress she wore the night remains washed in scarlet sin. A haunting tale of sorrow underneath the murky deep. There's still a longing in those eyes as it ceased to be. Her broken spirit still exists. That one up probably, but happy breakfast.